So, we're taking our geopolymer chemistry to a whole new level. As you will see, we have managed to produce a variety of colors ranging from pale cream-like whitish white, pink, brown, grey. I'm not very good at naming colors, but you can see we have all kinds of different colors. These are all made with raw unprocessed materials, which is very important, except the processing of grinding them into powder. So these are all very resilient. I have tested them. I even submerged them in water for a week. Nothing changed. They are very strong. This one is pretty thin, as you can see, and you can try and push it as hard as you can, try to break it. It will not break. You can probably break it with a hammer though, I guess. So these are all comprised by materials that are very abundant and easily accessible all over the planet. It's mostly silicon dioxide, sea salt, sodium chloride, and weathered rock, and of course some water. So silicon dioxide makes up to 25% of the Earth's crust. Sodium chloride is everywhere in the sea, and of course weathered rock is also everywhere. So ideally we can house and shelter the whole population and many animals too with these materials easily, fast and cheaply. We also managed to create a mixture, which is very interesting, which we can shape and hand sculpture with your own hands. So this is a combination of ingredients which renders it easy to shape and give any form just by pushing it with your hands. I just did that yesterday with, pressuring it with my hand and just left it on here, which is interesting because you can also hand sculpture your own house without the need like you would do with clay, like you see over here. So it adheres very strongly to all kinds of natural surfaces. For example, stone. This is just a piece of stone that we coated with these materials. It's impossible to remove it. In order to remove it, you have to also remove part of the surface of the stone. And you also need a very thin layer of it to render your construction invincible. This is an old mixture, both of these, not very good, but still it does the trick. So you're going to have a very wide variety of colors you can choose from. I think we're doing very well because, okay, we like this color, but people want white or different kinds of colors. We're going to have virtually every color on the deck. And I guess by applying a mere thin coating of these materials on your structure, it will render it invincible sorry, for the next 1,000 years or so, I guess. I think we're doing very well. We're gonna keep updating you if we have any new information. I think we're there. We're almost there with our chemistry and our combinations. There's always room for new experiments. We might come up with something totally different. So we always keep experimenting and adding new ingredients we found here and there. See you next time.